Hi, you guys, it's Mrs. Laus. We are doing our October packet for page 5. Make sure you're on the right page. It says verb tense shifts, and there's a cool little picture of a gecko over here. All right, so we're coming back to verbs. Remember, verbs are action words. When we talk about someone doing something, you have to make sure that the tense is all the same. Otherwise, it's like you're jumping back and forth in a present, future, or past tense, and that makes it very confusing. When authors write a story, they might foreshadow something in the future, or they might tell you something that they're doing in the present moment, or something that happened in the past. But within a sentence, it all needs to be the same tense. Every single verb should be in the same tense. So it says writers need to make sure that all the verbs they are using in a sentence or passage are consistent. For example, if your story is set in the past, verbs should be in the past tense. So here's some practice. It says read the sentences below about little-known holidays in October. If there is a shift in a verb tense, which means if one of the verbs is incorrect and not in the same tense as the others, we're going to underline it. And then we're going to correct it by writing it on the line. If the sentence is good, we'll just write correct as is on the line. So let's see. Number 1. The pet store had. If I had something, that's in the past tense. On Reptile Awareness Day, which was is past tense, October 21st. They will sell. If I will sell, that's the future. Notice that I'm first labeling all of them so I can see if one of them is off. We can already tell that this one is off from the other two. They will sell gecko lizards and bearded dragons. They also gave away a corn snake. If I gave it away, that's past tense. So look at this. All 3 of these are past tense, but this one's in the future. That is incorrect. Remember, it says all verbs must be in the same tense in a sentence or passage. Because these are all past tense, that means this one needs to change. This one should be in the past tense as well. How do I say will sell in the past tense? So I'm going to rewrite. I'm going to say will sell needs to change to sold. If I will sell in the future, in the present tense I'm selling, and in the past I sold something. So it should say they sold gecko lizards and bearded dragons. And so my correction is right here. I'm showing the verb that was wrong, and then I drew an arrow writing down how I fixed it. All right, I'll do another one. Number 2, October 11th will be, that's future, National Family Bowling Day. We plan to go, that's future, bowling. Ate lunch. Wait a second. We plan to go bowling and then we ate lunch. That's past. And then go home. That's future. So all of these should be in the future tense, except this one's incorrect. So how do I change ate, which is past tense, into future tense? I will eat. All right. I want you to do the same for 3 through 7. I want you to write down what are all the tenses for the underlined verbs, find the one that's not matching, and then fix it on the line, okay? And that's what you're doing for Grammar Packet page 5. All right, you guys, I will talk to you later.